Alright, good day and welcome to your first XML tutorial. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. Extensible because it has no predefined tag. When you're coding in XML, it's actually very easy and you're limitless. Alright, in this tutorial, I'll kind of introduce you to XML and try to write your first XML hello world. Okay, my name is Dave, and this is the site to go. My name is Dave Ozalo, and the site to go is www.braintem.org, and you want to join the Braintem Code Cup shop. You just follow it, and this series is actually XML tutorials. Then the group you need to join to meet other XML developers on the site is XML developers, and my handle, if you want to follow me personally, is Dave. Alright, XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. You don't kind of need any sort of software to start coding XML. Just open a folder in your system. I'm on Windows, and right click inside the middle of the folder. I just created this folder. I don't want to go back. It's in my documents. You can put yours anywhere, and click on New and select Folder. Among the options that will be there, you just select Folder and not folder, sorry. Oh, that was a big oops, sorry, that was a big mistake. You want to right click and select File. Create a new file inside your folder. This is a text document. Then you name it anything. I want to name my own first page .xml, not txt, xml. Right, first page.xml. Then you want to make sure that it ends with .xml. If your system doesn't have this error will just throw up. You just kind of yes it. If your system doesn't show these extensions, you want to go on View and click on Show File Extensions. Then look at it here, file name extension. Then if you are on Windows 7, this is Windows 8 interface. If you're on Windows 7, you want to click on Organize somewhere around here. Then in the drop down menu that will show up somewhere here, you click on File and Folder Options. Then in the pop-up box, you want to select View and then File, Show File Name Extension. You can Google how to do that on Mac and other operating systems. Alright, so we continue. We've created this. You want to open it with a browser and a text editor. You can use any text editor. I just have several of them here, but I want to use Notepad. Then I've opened it first page.xml with Notepad. I want to open it with a browser too, and my favorite browser is Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Alright, we just opened it with Notepad, and we've opened it with Google Chrome. As you can see, it's on my system. Now this error shows up. This is Google Chrome interface. This error shows up although we have a blank file here. It's still blank, but it's showing this error. The XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with it. The document tree is shown below. Alright, it's because XML expects you to have a CSS, that style. You need to link a CSS to your XML. We'll get to that later in the tutorial, but we can ignore the error and continue. Alright, we want to write a first hello world program. Now in XML, you want to start with XML. You tell it the version. The version of XML we're operating is 1.0. Not just 1, you want to put 0.0. Okay, then the next thing, you want to tell the browser the encoding, whatever. Encoding. You can use any encoding, but I want to use UTF-8. Alright, then you close your XML. That's it. Then the next thing we want to do is, like I told you before, XML has no predefined tags. We want to create a tag. I can just call it note. XML is used to carry information and store it, but not to display it. Okay, just assume that this is a chat application, and this is a note, and I'm sending a note to somebody. The name of the person that is sending the notes, alright, and whatever else. I'm just forming these tags off the top of my head. The message. Alright, we have the message. So that's it. Inside the name, I want to put Dave, the famous one, and then here we have to go hi, how are you doing? Okay, I want to remove this for a purpose. I'll let you know later. So hi, how are you doing? Okay, that's it. And then I've saved this. Control S. I just Control S on my keyboard, and I'll refresh the page on Google Chrome. Let's see what happens. Okay, here as you can see, hi, this is Dave name, and hi, how are you doing? So I want to convert it officially to a hello world program. Dave and hello world. Alright, I just purposely did it. I like hello world. Alright, so we have it now, and you can put your name here for your first hello world program. Yeah, I like it, hello world. Alright, so we're through. Control S on my keyboard, and we refresh on Google Chrome. Okay, we have hello world. Okay, and this your name here. That's cool. In the next tutorial we'll see how all other things we need to know about XML and how we can code. It's actually simple. You can quit here and call yourself an XML professional. That's if you like. Thank you very much. Next tutorial.